welcome back to the channel. We are in Togo, West Africa, and today we are preparing the most delicious tilapia okra stew ever. Is it okra stew or okra soup? Anyways, I'm taking you guys to the fish market here in Lomé, and you guys, we are buying fresh tilapia from the sea, like caught on the same day, and together we are going to cook and eat together. And I'm preparing this okra stew with gari. Gari is made from cassava and is widely eaten across Africa. And you guys, you are going to enjoy this video. You guys come with me to the market and let's go and buy the fish, and we'll cook together and eat together. And trust me, this is going to be a fun vlog. I don't want to miss any single part of the video. Let's go, guys. So accessing the fish market here in Togo, you have to pay a 100 francs maintenance fee. That's like money they use in taking care of this place. And I'm going to tell you guys a little story. When I got here, these women told me fish was tilapia was 3,500 for a kilo, but I was like, that's exaggerated, because if meat is 2,500, why is tilapia so special? I know it's fresh from the sea, but it cannot be that expensive. So I went around the market and asked different people. You guys, I ended up buying tilapia for 2,500 for a kilo. You see, so when you come to this market, do your research and walk around and ask from different people. Don't just buy from one person because they will rip you off. Yeah, so I bought 3 healthy looking tilapias for 2,500. That's like 1 kilo. So this is where I finally got my tilapia. I got 3 pieces for 2,500. The sizes were okay, not too little. Yeah, let's go home and cook. So I'll quickly take you guys through the ingredients we need for our okra stew today. We need okra, of course, and I'm going to add garden eggs the way Ghanaian people do it. And in my blender we have like red pepper, black pepper, white pepper, and onion, ginger, and garlic. Yeah, I think that's it. And of course we have some red oil here, and that's it. Yeah, we have some pepper here and some onion. I'll add this when my okra is ready. So this is our tilapia. I went ahead and cleaned everything. You guys, can you see? I took out all the scales and the dorsal fin and the pelvic fins. Oh my god, secondary school days. Yeah, so this is what it's looking like, and I'll just go ahead and marinate the fish. So I added some salt and some Maggi cubes, and we'll just go ahead and massage the spices into the fish. Yeah, so that the salt can penetrate the fish like well. See? So we are just going to steam this on low heat for about 20 minutes. On very low heat, you don't want the fish to scatter, eh? So let the heat be very low. I've had this for a week at home, and that's why it's getting like black. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay guys, wish me luck in cutting all the okra. Oh my god, okra is widely eaten, you guys. Is it okra or okra? Okra is widely eaten across Africa, not only Africa. It's eaten everywhere. and it's very healthy. And of course, Africans have different ways of preparing okra. Like in Ghana, they add the garden egg, which I'm about to add. And in Togo here, they add like huckleberry and some other vegetables. They even add the ademe, the jute leaves. So different people have different ways of preparing okra. Like in Cameroon, we add the egusi in the okra and it's very nice as well. So they have different ways of preparing it. Because I know a lot of people will be shocked that I'm adding garden eggs inside okra. Hey! You guys, different ways of cooking, but all the same. Yeah. So far, if you're enjoying the video, please, so I'm begging, make sure you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe. So after steaming our fish for about 20 minutes, you guys, this is what it's looking like. Now I'm going to add in more water, red oil, and the rest of the spices so that we can prepare the broth for our okra. You all know what I'm saying. This is what it's looking like. So delicious. You don't want to over move it with a spoon because it will break. You know, tilapia is not really that strong. So this is what it's looking like. This is the spices that was left. I'll just go ahead and add it in. Well, this is the star of the show, red oil. I want it cooked. I don't want the smell of the red oil in my okra. Like, I want it a little bit cooked, if you know what I'm saying. Yeah. And I'll just add in the rest of the cube, just like that, and some more salt. Not too much though. And we are good. Now we are going to boil this, guys. That's the base of our okra soup. Hello. Yeah. By the special grace of our Lord Jesus Christ, I am done cutting. My fingers were giving up on me, but I was like, we can do it, we can do it. Finally, I'm done. You guys, check this out. It's a lot of okra. So this is what our fish broth is looking like so far. It's been cooking for over 30 minutes, I think. And yeah, the fish should be cooked already. So I just went ahead and added limestone into the pot of water because I want my okra very stretchy, slimy. Is slimy the word? Anyways, I'm going to add in the okra when the water has boiled and you guys will see the magic. Yeah. We'll go ahead and add in the okra and the garlic eggs. Yeah. I'll boil this for at least 7 to 10 minutes. Yeah. So while this is boiling, we'll go ahead and grind our crayfish. You guys check this out. Do you know it? They are shrimps. Very, very sweet. Yeah. So I'm going to keep doing this. So our okra is done boiling. We'll just go ahead and add in the okra into the soup. We'll add in, we will add in our crayfish as well. And mix. You want to be gentle with the mixing because you don't want the tilapia to break. Yeah, we will go ahead and add in some fresh pepper as well. Right now, okra stew is almost ready. Yeah. So to enhance the smell of our okra even more, we are going to add in some chopped onion. And yeah, you guys, I wish you were here to feel the smell. It's so good. And our okra is ready. Yeah. So the way gari is made is very similar to the way I always make akume. So I'm just going to heat up some water, and when the water is done boiling, I'll add in the gari and cook it, and that's all. So this is what we call gari. This is grated cassava that has been fermented, dried and fried. Yeah, this gari has been through a lot, and I'm going to make fufu from this, and it's really good. Gari is a lifesaver in Africa in general, and everybody likes gari. And yeah, today we are making fufu from this masterpiece, and you guys, it's gonna be amazing. Water, adding our gari just like this. The reason why I'm mixing so fast is because I don't want lumps. If you don't mix it fast, you end up with a lot of lumps in it. Yeah. So this is our food right here. Ooh, I'm about to give it a try. You guys, it's looking so good. Yeah. This is awesome. This is what our gari looks like. I'll go ahead and dip it in the okra. Do you see this? Can you see? Perfection. This is so good. No capping, this is so good. The smell of the tilapia in the soup is awesome. I like I like it when the pepper is really hot. And yeah. Let's give our tilapia a try. This is what our tilapia is looking like. Mmm, it's so good. The tilapia is really good, you know. The salt and the maggi and all the spices went inside, and it's just so perfect. I wish you could try this with me. Hallelujah, this is delicious. I should eat gari more often because I eat akume more. This is really good. I'm really enjoying the food, and you all are invited. Yeah, so this was me making gari and okra stew, and I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure you like, comment and share. Yeah, thank you so much.